What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Quantum Ascend. Up on the screen, I have Bitcoin, the one-day price chart, and I do have a full bull thesis that I published for my group last week, thinking about releasing it here on X and YouTube in the coming days. I make an argument for why I believe the bottom is in, where we've seen that in other charts in the past, and there's some stuff in there that nobody has shared over on X yet. So look for that in the coming days. Right now, I just want to talk about the shorter time frame. Looking at where we're at within Bitcoin at the time of recording, we're butting up against this trend line that goes back to March 17th. So still only a couple weeks here. My hesitation right now, though, one, we have this speech coming out by Trump tonight. So who knows what that's going to end up doing to the markets. But there's also a couple different factors in play right now. So the first one is if we're looking at this, especially where it's at, certainly a possibility it's a 1, 2, 3, 4 comes up perfectly into 1, and then we'll reject one more time to get down here, maybe around that 63.5 level. Additionally, you have these two wicks back here that could take it as low as like 62.5. So would not be surprised to see that. The other thing too, at the same time that that's happening, we're butting up against that trend line. We can see that the stochastic RSI is at the same level it got rejected at before. Anything under 40 as well as bearish. So we see that we're butting up against that right now. Thirdly, we have the MACD right here, negative momentum decreasing, but looking at a potential of maybe these two kiss and we get a little bump back down as well. So it's too soon to call it right now for Bitcoin, especially with everything going on geopolitically. But I just want people to be careful here as there is still potential that this thing rolls over one more time. All right. And most likely it would happen pretty quickly and it would be news driven like everything else we're seeing right now. So for me personally, not the time to enter. I'm pretty allocated. If we do sweep back down here to 63.5, that's when I'll start taking a look at the shorter time frames and look for an entry. So quick update, just wanted to blast that out. Don't want people to get too excited yet, but I do believe that all of this is coming to a close here soon, and we are going to have our moment over there in crypto. So with that being said, guys, join the Quantum Circle, real-time trades, access to my portfolio, 2 macro videos a day, a Discord, and I teach you how to do TA. Link to that in my bio. If not, just super appreciative you guys are here. If you could follow, like, repost, I want to get this out to as many people as I can before it's too late. So hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll catch you in the next one.